The problem is that you say you are Christians. That's what I keep hearing. Nayenze of Christians sibulaba ndaba ebyambalo byokka naye okutegeera nze ndaba, because if you are Christians you would know that in the book of the Acts of the Apostles, when St. Paul was passing through what they call Asia Minor, there are people there who are talked about in the Bible but who are no longer there. St. Paul's letter to the Ephesians. Where are the Ephesians? Balagawa. What do your preachers, these ones who sing the whole night shouting as if God is deaf, what do they tell you? Abefeso, Balagawa, Ataba Galatia, all those people are mentioned in the Bible, but you can't see them on the ground. What happened to them? Just singing, whoa, whoa, whoa. Eh? What happened to them? They disappeared. The only ones who are mentioned in the Bible, and the only ones who are mentioned in the Bible who are still there are the Corinthians, our Corinthians, Greece, our Thessalonica, they are there because they are in Greece. But the others disappeared. Why? Because new people came from Asia and took over their land. That's what you call Turkey now. What you call Turkey took the land of those pharaohs who are being talked about in the book of the Acts of the Apostles. They disappeared. Now, what is very serious for Africa was that the invasion by Ottoman Turks, when they invaded that area, which is not long ago, because the Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople, what they now call Istanbul, in 1453. This is not long ago. This is just 500, 600 years ago. They blocked the land route by the Europeans to Asia, because you remember in your little history, which you study here and there was this character called Marco Polo. Marco Polo is a man who walked on foot from Europe to China and back. And he established a land route through which trade was going. So when the Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople, they blocked that route. They blocked it. So the Europeans were no longer getting silk. That's why the Chinese president now is talking of the Silk Road.